What is up? It's your boy 1991 Sonic Clip, which I call myself Dexter for fake views, for fake name, but because I'm not allowed to say my real name. But let's get to this. I'm going to be seeing some old cars around my farm, so I'm just at my friend's place. Honestly, you at my friend's place, I just saw a car going down. Yeah. So, let's get into the first car. So we got a 2002 Suburban right here. I actually own this one. It's one I mostly take. It's not actually registered. It's registered on one of our friends. We bought from one of our friends. Yeah, before we didn't have the Chevy logo, but now we just put it in. And I found my necklace from day camp. I don't know if this Yamaha Moto 4 counts, but yeah, I remember the one where I got my cut in my eyebrow. Well, this is what it happened to for it. And if you look at it, a long time ago, a couple months ago, I made a review on this same four-wheeler, and this is before this happened. You can see this was not here before. Now let's get to the next car. Get here. It's right over there. There, where I'm going. Right there. We just fixed this one a couple months ago. Days ago. Yeah. This thing's all working and running. It's a little shot because it doesn't have its eighth thing. You should see this exhaust. Look at this baby. This thing I usually use a lot. Actually, our next car that we're looking at is a Ford F3 Super Duty. Well, it's a 250. I don't know if it's a Super Duty. I think it's a heavy duty or a Super Duty. Get it up. Get it. Get in there. And here's our next Ford. Wait, can't really see it. I'm in the shade now. Now you can see. Okay, this is a farm vehicle. Pennsylvania farm vehicle. Something hit it right there. But anyways, it says this one's as bad as heck. You can see what I did to it. Yeah, this doesn't close, apparently. Yeah, I'll show you something. See how it ain't budging? And then here. Ooh, yeah, that don't sound good. Yeah, that ain't sound good. Our next truck is actually right over here. This is mostly where the money is. Yeah. Yeah, that one's been rotting away. And then we have two more trucks that are right over here from that one and that one. This is a GMC. Sorry if I don't know the gears on these. These are... Yeah, that's a GMC. This is a 350 diesel. Ford diesel. Look at this. Look. This is what it looks like. I mean, we're going to be looking at one just like this. That's the kind of like a Ford, and I draw on this. This one doesn't count because this one, yeah, it says Steer Life. So I don't know if this one counts. But one's from Ford and Chevy, I know. That's okay. Okay, I'll get to our next car. I have to get down quick. Okay. Right now, we're working on right now. This is a 2001 Jeep Cherokee, I think. No, yeah, it's a Cherokee. We usually use this for Jeep Week and stuff. It's a Cherokee Sport. We collect ducks. But right now we're working on it. See? Let's get down to our next car. Okay. Get down. My dad suggested making this video, so this all came from his inspiration. Yeah. As you can see, it's just camera. It's just a phone, just to tell you. So, oh dang. Oh dang. Oh, where's my necklace? Where did I put it? Oh, I'll find it later. Cub Scout Day Camp. Oh, dang it. Okay. Right now I'm making this for YouTube, okay? Thank you for 106 subscribers. We actually met a subscriber while I was at day camp. We met, this is not Gray, and Gray still plays. That's his 2 channels. You should go look them up. Yeah, I'm just looking for cars. Cars that have been in the ditch. Or actually, next car is a Chevy. I can tell you that. And in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. This thing's a Chevy. I don't know what year these are. So, if you know any of these, what years these are and what models they are, tell me in the comments. We have go-karts over here. This is at my friend's house. The farm we're renting, this house, he's here. We're actually getting to a Jeep. That's a Jeep Liberty. And we got a Wrangler. Others. We actually have one over there we're going to be reviewing. That's a Ford. We actually saw this one at a mud derby. And our friends bought it. So that's a nice Ford. Look at his wheels though. This is the same one we just reviewed, the 350 diesel. This is kind of like the same one. Get that one, right? As you can see, everything's original on it. Paint probably isn't, because it looks like it's paint's ripping off. Like that's the second coat, so that used to be the first one. And our next one is a Pontiac. Pontiacs. Nice. It's already been 9 minutes. Anyways, let's get to this Pontiac. This has never been driven. Pontiac. Yeah, actually, like, tell me what years these. Don't mind about that. Yeah. My friend bought it. It was like that. The old man that's dead. He hasn't actually. Actual old man. He's just a dummy. close down the test line. Now, don't know if you can see it. That's a GMC right there. So we're getting close to a GMC.